raise your right hand. The chair therefore declares the impeachment complaint of De Jesus insufficient in substance.
It is very clear, both under the Constitution and under the rules on impeachment, that the impeachment complaint must be coupled with a verification which says that the allegations must be based on personal knowledge and authentic records. Not in favor of the motion, please raise your right hand. You may put down your hands.
Tungkol sa korupsyon. Kaya ang araw dito mga kabayan, at sino ba si Saldico? Hindi po ba?
Kasi nakikisa kami sa panawagan na ipagpatuloy yung impeachment ni Marcos Jr. Simula nung pumutok yung flood control corruption last year ay wala pa rin pong tunay na napapanagot. Marami na rin po tayong batayan para sabihin na sangkot si Marcos Jr. doon sa nangyaring flood control corruption issues, sa nangyaring anomalya.
But to show that you are enraged